Hello, come in. Real quick, take a star repair video. I redid the soldering job on the wires. Somebody did a partial wire upgrade. I soldered them down good anyway. Put some rubber grommets on each one because there's no rubber grommets on them. It's dangerous. Changed the key transistor or preamp. That's about it. Turn him on. Start that on low power. Well, first I'm looking straight through. This is straight through SWR. Wire, 0. Turn him on, low power, variable wide open. Input SWR. Output reflex. 1001 slug, PP, variable wide open, green button in. Little 400, get on down. Alright. Turn the green button out. So she's wide open now. Input tune. Very little. Output. 1001 PP. 600, which is real good. That's 1,000 watt average, 300 average, and 600 peak. Alright. Now, said the preamp was messed up. Well, let's get to go. See if we can turn them. You can actually hear. Listen here. Alright. Let me say it ain't doing like it was before. Even if you just turn the preamp on alone. But anyway, I got the preamp working. Oh, there she is. Green button in. 400 pp. Preamp and on. Get on down. Alright, bud. Got her all fixed up. Just wanted to do a little video showing she's working. Hope you enjoyed the video. Appreciate it. Girlfriend 10 018 Beavis. Catch you later. Bye bye.